The recipe is from 1957. They recommend 2 people around 30 crepes each.
24 to 30 crepes per person.
Smoothness.
Smoothness. Yepa!
This is the way I like it.
Hello guys, welcome back to Frank's Kitchen. Today we are going to show you a very special recipe that Chef Nico, yes, Chef Nico today and myself will make you crêpes, French crêpes. This recipe comes from a very famous chef called
Olivier.
Raymond Olivier. Raymond Olivier.
It's the French.
Yes, this recipe is old.
Over 60 years old.
Yes, yes. So, what's up?
Few ingredients inside.
And this is the specialty or the little things about this recipe. We are using pastis. We are using
Sampan,
rum. And we are using also beer. Allez.
First one, we warm the milk. 4 liters. Oh, very easy, a pan, milk, up to your taste. Bon, I come from the north, so no olive oil, only butter. I think you would. No, it's good.
I think it's very good.
Yeah, it will make it soft. Flour, T55, you can find in every shopping mall. 100 grams. 400 grams, 8 eggs. If it's small, 8.
If it's small, 10.
If it's big, 8. It's always for Frank. This is not twister recipe, hein? This is home recipe. Okay, you mix well. So around 50 grams, it's good enough. And salt. Salt is very important. Salt will improve the taste of the full recipe. After, yeah. 2 pinch, milk and butter. Yeah. Can you keep the bowl? Sure.
So chef, first we need to put a bit of ricard, a bit of pastis. Pastis will give, what pastis will give actually? Will give
the herb test, the sunny test in the recipe. Yeah?
The sunny test.
The sunny test. A small pot.
A little bit.
How much is it? 70 cl. A good third of the bottle.
Anise, obviously yes, anise, star anise, things which basically will give very lovely flavors. And then after that, very important, rum. Local rum from Hoi An, the Sampan rum from Hoi An.
Okay, the game is to have a smooth and more.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
That's half a bottle, huh?
No, it's a quart.
Allez, quarter, a little bit more. Voilà.
Okay, so you will think it's for alcoholic.
Yes.
I know already what you will think. Yes and no. Why? Because alcohol will cook. The alcohol will disappear. You will just keep the flavor. And this is what you want. And this is the full essence of the French cuisine. You flambe because you don't want the strongness of the alcohol. You want just the taste. And it's exactly what will happen here.
Let's go for
smoothness.
Smoothness. Yepa!
So,
beer.
Beer. So why beer?
Pour le délier, pour la liaison.
You will make your recipe lighter. Butter gives you the smooth, the beer will make it so that. Hey, it's like your girlfriend. It's the same.
Half a liter of beer.
This, we are preparing love in time. The recipe is from 1957. They recommend 2 people around 30 crepes each.
24 to 30 crepes per person.
So I think Jamie and me, we can hold the challenge, but I'm not sure everybody can do. So I highly recommend you invite a friend. This we will prepare. You can order. We will prepare every ingredient for you. You just have to mix and follow us on Facebook, YouTube. Simple. No, everybody can do. Yeah, some people like it. My way, one chef, one way, it's, you don't need anything. You don't need anything more. We only put good ingredients already inside. You have French butter, French meat, sampang with exceptional rum from Vietnam. You have the Ricard with top quality pastis, top quality beer. All the ingredients are here. You have, for me, you have the essential. You no need to add a strawberry, a piece of meat will not give you anything more. The test is here already. Now after it's a test, this is the way I like it.